So it's been about 2 months since I stopped working or got laid off, and these 2 past months has honestly kind of been a blur. I would say that I am doing content on YouTube, I'm also doing content on Instagram as well and TikTok. However, I feel like right now it's just scattered, okay? Like I have content about personal finance, I have something about skincare, I have something about good finds and good deals, and then I throw in some kind of personal growth in there as well. And I think while that is good, I feel like it's just so scattered, and it's really hard for the platforms to figure out what is it that I talk about. And what I need to do now with my content, if I'm going to take it seriously, is to figure out, one, what is my niche? What am I going to talk about, and who am I going to target? I'm going to double down on YouTube. In order to get monetized, you actually need to have 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 hours of watch time on your YouTube in order, long form, not short form, in order to qualify for monetization. I should not have stopped. I should have doubled down, but real work, my office work, got in the way, and I just did not, it was just not happening. So now that I have so much time, I'm going to be back. I'm going to try to figure out how to do this YouTube thing. And hopefully within 6 months of being very consistent and producing real content for you guys here, that I am able to monetize this and have this as one of my income streams while I am unemployed. So along the way, what I need to do is have more structure, which is why I am going to restart my Notion. So for those of you who worked with me before and you've know about this, is that I got really good at building these templates at work. Things like Notion, Coda, Asana, these project management templates has been my jam for my work life, but I've never really done it for my personal life. So I'm going to start using that same methodology that I used to do for my corporate work and apply it to my content creation. That is my task for the day, and I will share back what the template looks like and walk you through it. I feel like as well, maybe template is what I am good at, because I also built this runway calculator template, and about 30 of you guys download it. Lovely. Maybe I'll do a full tutorial on that as well. So maybe that'll be my thing. I'm just going to be the template girl, which I honestly don't mind as well because it helps people. I'm going to go make my template and share back with you in a jiffy. Is that what they say? In a jiffy. It's been 2 hours since I've been working on this template here, and I think it's at a pretty good spot, I would say. Not bad. So, of course, up at the banner, very important, it's consistency. That is the thing that is driving me nuts, and I just really suck at it, is having consistency. So, good reminder for me. And then I decided to do a list of dream brand deals. These are the brands I would love to work with one day, and hopefully I can manifest that and turn that into something real. Fingers crossed for me that it comes true. And then of course I have a little area called the ideation corner. Essentially this is my brain dump area for anything that is on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube and maybe LinkedIn. I don't know if I want to add LinkedIn on it yet, but maybe. But this is basically the ideation corner. And then below that, I have my content calendar. Right now, there's only one item that I need to do because I still need to work on populating this template here. However, along the top, I think what's most important to keep myself accountable is the This Week tab, because this shows what video I need to do. And I think that is the most important, is the execution, is to make sure that whatever I plan is great, but I need to get it done. And you know what? The mindset I'm going in with is getting it done is better than not doing it. Is that the right word? Maybe. My words are not coming out of my mouth today, but you know what I mean. But it's better to get it done than to get it right. Is that the phrase? Maybe. But that is the goal. I'm going to do a video on my end of month spending because I'm not making money, obviously. I have no income to report. But I think the end of month spending might be helpful for people out there who are also trying to figure out, are you spending enough or not enough, or maybe you're overspending, things like that. And you'll kind of get to see a little bit of what I spend my money on as well. Honestly, I've been really enjoying these types of systems and templates. So more to come. And maybe I'll do one of these like update videos once a month just to see how I'm doing in terms of content creation journey. Bye.